what you don't want as the last ball. You want your last ball to be a good ball. The first ball of the over and the last ball of the over. That's the brand ambassador of Karanataka Bulldozers. They've been able to maintain a run rate of 10. It's 101 already. 10 overs not yet completed. Now there seems to be a little problem with Sudeep's hand. Has he hurt his hand? Sudeep, captain of the Karnataka team, seems to have got a blow on his fingers. Last ball of the over, and a good way to finish. At the halfway stage, Chennai Rhinos 101 for 3. After 10 overs, and I'm joined by Sanjay Pandal in the commentary box. Sanjay, good start for the Chennai Rhinos.
Indeed a good start, and the only setback was probably the wicket of Vikrant. Because the way he started looked like he was going to just take the game away from the Chennai Rhinos.
That's a good shot.
Innovation of Bill Scoop, which has been regularly used by the Sri Lankan great Lakotne Dilshan. Vishnu has been a picture of consistency, hasn't he? I mean, 3 games, and he's contributed with the bat or the ball in all the games.
Well, I think the batting of the Chennai Rhinos revolves around Vishnu and Vikrant. Vikrant is more of the dasher. He's got the license to go out there and just play as many strokes as he can. I think Vishnu tries to build an innings, pace an innings, and the approach of the two batsmen, both of them seem to be the batsmen who the Chennai Rhinos depend on.
Can't agree more. Supporters of the Chennai Rhinos and CCL in general, they've turned out in large numbers, pretty faces all around.
Abhimanyu continue again. Good start by him, Sanjay. Except for that one improvised 4 at the start of the over, it's a good start by him, especially on a surface like this with boundaries which have been brought in. If your economy rate is about 6 or 7, I think that's a job well done.
Ideal sort of a 20-20 bowler, bowling wicket to wicket whenever he sees attack attacking batsman. He brings the wicket keeper close to the stump. So it's putting some